In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share from Pinterest to Instagram. First, open your browser and search for Pinterest. Type the word Pinterest into the search bar, then confirm you see the official site in the results. You will know it is correct when you see the Pinterest logo and a short description mentioning saving and discovering ideas. Take a second to check the address looks right before you move on, so you land on the real Pinterest page. Once you see the search results, click the correct Pinterest link and sign in. If you already have an account, enter your email and password or use your usual sign-in option. When the sign-in works, your home feed appears with a grid of pins and your profile picture in the corner. If Pinterest asks to keep you signed in, choosing that will save time next visit. Now browse and tap the pin you want to share to open it in full view. When it opens, it fills most of the screen and you will see a larger image or video with the title and description below. This full view makes sure you download the highest quality version and not a tiny preview. Take a quick moment to read the text under the pin so you know what you are about to share on Instagram. Next up, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. On most devices, this sits just above or beside the pin image. When you tap it, a small menu appears with several options related to that pin. This menu is where Pinterest hides extra tools that are not shown on the main screen. From that menu, select Download Image or Download Video. As soon as you tap it, Pinterest starts saving the file directly to your device. On many phones, you will see a brief confirmation at the bottom saying the image has been saved. A quick tip here, downloaded pins usually go straight into your camera roll or Downloads album, which is exactly where Instagram looks by default. After that, open the Instagram site. You should see the familiar Instagram layout with the home feed and icons for home, search, create, and profile. If Instagram asks you to sign in, use your usual login so you can post from your account. Once the feed appears, you are ready to start sharing the file you brought over from Pinterest. With Instagram open, tap the plus icon to create a new post, story, or reel. A chooser appears with options like post, story, and reel across the bottom or in a small menu. Pick whichever format matches how you want people to see this Pinterest content. The next screen will open your photo and video picker. On that picker screen, select the Pinterest file you just saved to your device camera roll. You will see the image or video highlighted once it is selected. Then add your caption and tag the original creator, or type their Pinterest username in the caption to give credit. Many Pinterest creators count on that credit, and it keeps your account safer from reports. Finally, tap Share. Instagram will upload your post and you will see it appear in your feed or story within a few moments. You have just taken a pin from Pinterest and shared it on Instagram in a clean, credit-friendly way. So if this helped you bridge those two apps, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple social tips.